Hello, what's going on, guys? I hope you are making money as usual. So this is the part 2 of that video about candlestick, and this is gonna be about market structure, and which is the part of the free trading content. So make sure you stick till the end of this video because market structure is very important. Once you understand market structure, it's gonna be very easy, and this you're gonna be using this knowledge I'm not giving you for the rest of your life if you are going to take forex trading as a job. So let's get into today's content. So first thing is, I told you guys about about candlestick already. So in today's video is gonna be about market structure. So for market structure, we have three type of market structure. We have the bullish market structure. Bullish meaning the price going up. So you're gonna have that bullish market structure this way. And then you have the bearish market structure. That means the price is going down as well. Okay, very simple. And then you have the third one, which is like a ranging market where like price just keep doing this, price doesn't go up, price doesn't go down, price just keep doing this. Okay, but we're not gonna look at the ranging right now. We're just gonna look at the bullish and the bearish market structure. So market says bullish when price keep creating new highs and never break lows. Okay, I wanna make it like very simple for you guys. So let's see, when you come on your chart here, you see that price is giving you things, right? You can see that it goes this, 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 right? You see this is basically what price is creating right here, right? So once you have this is basically the candlestick. Okay, so price goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. So this is a bullish market structure. Bullish market structure is when price is going up, but not just price going up. The highest price creates, price always break them. Price breaks the highs, and then the lows, price never break them. So when price does give you a pullback, it doesn't break this. Price does give you a pullback, price never breaks this. Price does give you a pullback, price never breaks this. Anytime price does give you a pullback, it doesn't break the previous low. Okay, that's basically a bullish market structure. And then a bearish market structure is basically the same thing, but the opposite, where price goes down, price goes down, price goes down, price goes down, right? So what happened here is that price always breaks the low, always breaks the low, always breaks the low, but never breaks the high. So a high here, price drops, and then it pulls back here, and then it creates a new high, and then it drops, and then it pulls back here, and it gives you high, and it drops. So you as a trader, you would want to capitalize on the sell move. When price bullish, you only want to buy. When price bearish, you only want to sell. So in this case, in the bearish market structure here, you would want to sell here, so price drops. So when price does here, you don't buy this, you wait for price to come here, then you sell, and then price come here, and then you sell. Now here, when price come here, then you sell, and then price come here, you sell. Okay, that is the simplest explanation of price action or market structure you'll ever see on the internet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replay price basically for you guys. So I'm gonna replay price here, right? So when I zoom in, what do you see? So basically price did this, right? It went up and then it did this, and after doing that, is now doing this. So when price did this, for you in your head, understanding market structure, price gonna do this. Okay, so now let's play. Price went up, right? Now you're expecting price to do it. You're expecting price to do this because you are seeing this, so you want to see this, right? So now let's wait for price to do just that, and you can see that price doing just that. So after price did just that, what are you expecting price to do right now? You're expecting price to go higher again. Okay, you're expecting price to do what? This, and then this. You're expecting price to do something like this. So now when you play this, what does price do? Price end up doing just that. So after price doing just that, now price gonna give you give me a second. Yeah, so now price gonna do something like this and then give you something like this again. So you're expecting price to give you a pullback like this, and then as a pullback happened, it didn't happen that much. Yeah, so it happened small, and then it went up again. So as price went up this way, what are you expecting price to do? Give you a pullback and then go up again. So waiting for price, give you just that, and then now you're expecting price to go higher again. Now price went higher again. As price went higher, then you're expecting the same thing to happen, right? You're expecting price to do something like this and then give you something like this. So you play this, now price didn't really do that, just flew away. So yeah, this is basically the explanation of market structure right there, a bullish market structure. So what did price do? Price just did everything I just told you guys right there, where price went up and then it did this and it went up, 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 right? So it just did all that. this. And when price does, price always takes the high, always create new high, always create new high, always create new high, always create new high, but never breaks lows, never breaks lows, never break low, never break low, never goes against previous low. This is basically the simplest explanation of price of market structure. And when you're looking at price market structure, you always want to be looking for buys when price is bullish. Like your whole point is you want to buy here, you want to buy here, you want to buy here. And anytime price does that, you want to buy, and then you want to buy, you want to make money, 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 and you want to make money. Okay? So this is the for the bullish market structure, and for the bearish is basically the same thing. But since gold is like really bullish, for me to get you a bearish case, it's not gonna be easy. But yeah, if I zoom in here, is the same thing that price just did, just that, right? It dropped here, it came here, it dropped here, it came here, it dropped here, it came here, and it dropped here, and it just doing just that. It kept taking new lows, it kept taking new lows, and then doing just that. Okay, and for you to really be good at spotting the price action or market structure right here, you should have to spend a lot of time like marking them, right? You have to spend a lot of time. You just take maybe a random place like this, and then you zoom in, try to see if you can look at market structure. So this is it, this is it, this is it, this is it, this is it. Okay, you would want to get that, right? And then the same thing here, this is it, this is it, this is it, this is it. And then when price, most of the time, like when price breaks those high there, then it's telling you that price now getting ready to go opposite direction as well. So this is the simplest explanation of market structure you'll ever get on the internet. And now, as I told you guys about ranging market, is when price isn't going anywhere, price just doing this, price just doing this, price just doing this. This is one of them right here. So if I do this, price basically doing this, price basically doing this. It did this for like a whole maybe 1 or 2 days before it end up moving. Do you understand? And most of the time when this happens, these are like no trade scenario. When you notice that it's happening, just don't even trade, just look at price, just look at it. Okay, don't do anything. So this would be pretty much it for this video right here. I hope you guys learned something about market structure. And on my next video, I'm gonna show you guys basic support and resistance, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to get easy trade setup as well. That'd be pretty much it. So see you guys on my next trading content.